is the Project World's Fastest RC Car. And to win the world record, crazy thing is, if this can do 203 miles an hour, that means it can do the same speed as this. And to try and do it, we've done some custom aerodynamics, fitted 2 giant direct drive motors, one directly driving the front differential and the other one driving directly the rear differential. And to power these, we got 2 great big MGM speed controllers, the same that they use in Robot Wars. And then to feed these 2 ESCs, we got all these LiPos here. So most RC cars would run on one of these LiPos. Some of the more powerful ones would run on 2. But on this, we're going to run 6, and each one of these batteries has 4 cells in it, so 24 cells in total. So here's the runway that we found, and I think the usable distance that we can use is from here to here, which is just over 1 mile. But anyway, before we take it out, we just got to make a couple of minor adjustments and make sure that everything is in tip-top condition. And by the way, most RC cars of this size usually use this sort of size motor. Here's a size comparison, and we've got 2 of them. The trouble is with the foam tyres, they are a little bit bigger. But Vinny over there, who's camera shy today, he's got a lathe, and it might be able to turn them down. It might not, because it's supposed to be for that car there. And there's a bit of a size difference in tyres, so hopefully we can get that on there. So here, I'm just trying to make an adapter. This is not going to work. This tool does not go in far enough. Let's get the foams on there anyway and see what they look like. So these are the foams on their full size. We've got a little bit of clearance, so maybe we'll just run them as they are. So I'm just doing a little bit of work off camera. We're going to be putting these little plates on here on the ESC, because where the wheel sits, we don't want the tyre blowing out and hitting the ESC. These things are expensive. We don't want to kill them. Also, I've removed the whole rear end. I took this brace off and I fitted a different brace here. I wanted to try and keep all the wheels perfectly straight. So next, we can get the rear end back in. So I'm going to make some inner wheel arches. So a little bit of CAD, cardboard aided design, something like that, and now we can make it out of plastic.